So hey everyone, back with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to solve a easy level question, which is intersection of two arrays. So basically, what we have to do is we have to find the common element in each array, and if I found any element which is repeating in both the area, I will return that in a separate vector. So from this idea, and there's also one thing I've already know that it will use some binary search. So from that logic I can easily solve this. First I will define size for both array of 1 and array of 2. 1 dot size array 2 dot size, and now is to count. Okay, count should be count should not be declared from the starting. Yeah, and now I will sort both these array of 1 dot begin. Okay, so there is a question, why would I need to sort both the arrays in this situation? Because as you can see, we do not need any duplication in final answer. As you can see in this example, 1 1 2 2 after sorting it. So uh, there are there are two values which are repeating in nums1. So the final answer will be 2 2, but the is output is only of a single element, which is 2. Okay, so idea is to sort an array, and I will check after augmentation if my array of I not equal to array of I minus 1. If this is false, then I will push back the element in the vector, else I will ignore that element. Okay, so this is the idea. Of 2 dot begin array 2 dot. Okay, so I've sorted both these arrays. So now I will create a call loop. Okay, so size will be n1, and in this I will start by declaring a basic syntax of binary search, which is 0, n equal to, and yeah, I will write binary search code only for array of 2. Rest the array of 1 will be iterated through for loop. Okay, so while do I need to declare it? No, I don't need to. So I can directly start. Okay, I'll start. Okay, wait a second. For every iteration, we need a counter. So this count will be 0. Okay, to if. Okay. And if I found my array of, so I'm searching in 2, right? Yeah. If it is equal to array of 1, so what I will do is to count plus plus and directly break through this while also. If my array 2, well, okay, array 2 is okay. So array of I is greater and this is a star because I need to increase the value in array of 2, or else I will decrease the value by n equal to n minus 1. Okay, so I think this will be okay. I forgot to add a vector. This will work. Yeah, this is going to work. Okay, so count will be 0 for every iteration. So if my count greater than 0 and I equal to 0, or array of equal to is not equal to, what will I do? I will push back that value. Okay. I think this is going to work pretty good. I think so. Let's see. Items value. Please. Okay, there's an issue. Oh shit. Error button. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you like this video and do subscribe my channel.